Boeing and the U.S. Navy successfully flew two autonomously controlled EA-18G Growler aircraft at Naval Air Station Patuxent River as unmanned air systems, using a third Growler as a mission controller for the other two. The flights, conducted during the Navy Warfare Development Command's annual Fleet Experiment, FLEX, exercises, proved the effectiveness of technology allowing FA-8 Super Hornets and EA-18G Growlers to perform combat missions with unmanned systems. This demonstration allows Boeing and the Navy the opportunity to analyze the data collected and decide where to make investments in future technologies, said Tom Brandt, Boeing Manned-UnManned Teaming demonstration lead. It could provide synergy with other U.S. Navy unmanned systems in development across the spectrum and in other services. Over the course of 4 flights, 21 demonstration missions were completed. This technology allows the Navy to extend the reach of sensors while keeping manned aircraft out of harm's way, Brandt said. It's a force multiplier that enables a single aircrew to control multiple aircraft without greatly increasing workload. It has the potential to increase survivability as well as situational awareness. F-35C Lightning II stealth fighter aircraft from U.S. Navy Strike Fighter Squadron, VFA 125, are conducting their Operational Test 1, OT-1, with Carrier Air Wing, CVW 7 and Carrier Strike Group 12 aboard the Nimitz-class aircraft carrier USS Abraham Lincoln, CVN 72. OT-1 evaluates the full spectrum of the F-35C's suitability for operation within a carrier air wing and mission effectiveness to the maximum extent possible. The F-35C brings stealth, enhanced electronic capabilities and a different sustainment model, said Rear Admiral Dale Horton. Director, Joint Strike Fighter Fleet Integration Office. Operating this new generation of aircraft out on the aircraft carrier brings a different set of tools, techniques and procedures, and we're learning how to integrate them into the battle group. The F-35C has the ability to